Have you ever thought about why CEOs get divorced? I have. I think about this stuff. Every semester I have several CEOs come and speak to my MBA students at CU Boulder and at Colorado State University. The CEOs typically focus on their commitment to work, and the students ask questions about how the CEOs achieved financial success. Last semester, the questions took a different turn. At the end of each presentation, the students asked a personal question. They asked, "Are you still married?" Unfortunately, every CEO responded by saying they've had at least one divorce, and they attributed their divorce to their work or their company impacting their relationship with their spouse and their children. I wondered, given that, why don't CEOs spend more time creating an environment at work that positively impacts employees' personal lives so that they can engage at work, at home, and in their communities?